great barometer for updates on global robotics and automation trends are found at some amazing fairs, one of which is Automatica 2025. I'm in Munich, Germany. Let's check it out. I mean, it's quite intriguing just by reading that and seeing you guys innovating in like actuator space, because it's been same since decades and decades. So what's actually new? Like,
I think you're making exactly the right point. There is a revolution going on out there. Software, AI, everything is moving fast.
Yeah.
But then the link to the physical world is really challenging still. What we've achieved is we are closing the gap between what nature shows us is possible and what technology can do. We have actually developed an electric actuator that is very similar that has very similar characteristics to the human hand or to the human muscle.
Is it?
I don't know if you.
Oh, that one. Okay, yeah. Sure. I'll have to use my.
It's the same. Right. Show me.
Oh shit! Wait.
Awesome. It works.
The most I could do in the gym is for 25. Yeah, I don't go for them.
So very nice. So
that's nice.
What you actually see is the reference. Like
no. 40 is quite some hefty task to do, and
if you drop it like on a spindle drive,
yeah.
Forget it.
No, amazing,
So you have this whole range between sensitivity, data availability, robustness, variable impedance characteristics. That's
nice.
what we do.
Have you guys integrated already in the industry with certain?
You see, Schunk actually. Product on the market, clamping system for automation tasks. Here the challenge was it was a previously pneumatic system. You have a very limited design space for actuation in here, and then they asked, okay, so can we integrate 20 to 30 kilonewtons of clamping force in this design space with less than 10 watts power consumption?
That's a challenge, but yeah,
we did it.
Nice.
So that's a visible product. There's more products. If you go to the other hall, there is joining technologies that use our technology as well. And obviously the whole end-effector robotics topic.
Is that it?
Now
it'll give me a chocolate?
We will get the delivery.
Okay.
Direct imported chocolate from Switzerland.
I just brought it here. Oh. Nice. Oh, I assume that's for me. Cool.
And we have a camera and in the hand palm, in the depth sensor.
Yeah.
And we're measuring very precisely the finger forces, which are visualized there.
I
So
see.
if it grabs something, you see the applied forces.
So is that the gripper that you make, or the entire arm with the gripper?
We do both.
Uh-huh.
We sell the whole system as it is, but also the hand separately. So for example, you see here it's on a flanker arm, for example. And as I said, 15 degrees of freedom.
I see.
We're using belts, a combination of belts and gears on the fingers, and have all the motors in the hand palm, so no electronics in the fingers.
So the teleop that he's doing is just with the actuators, or like where does the camera come into picture?
Which camera?
The camera in his hand, and also.
That one is for the tracking in the room.
I see. So why on the hand though?
The camera is tracking the device, and that way he can operate the arm.
But the camera is facing rather outwards from the hand, no? Like.
Yeah, that camera doesn't matter. It's just to find the room.
I see.
For the hand camera itself, there is a video stream from the hand itself. That's for teaching. So we use the teleop to teach the system.
Okay.
And teach movements and the forces. And therefore we have the forces and the camera.
So is that like the point cloud and all depth you're using to then later convert to use it as like torque? From the cameras,
Yes.
yeah, definitely. Nice, yeah. And then this is all 3D printed. I see, like this is 3D printed, no?
That's 3D printed plastic,
Yeah.
HP PA12. Here's inside 20 Newton fingertip force. So
How do you manage to put metal in there? Like, is it aluminium, steel, or?
it's new.
That's why, yeah.
To it.
Oh, okay.
So and it will serve people. That's the idea.
So it's like a waiter robot, a service robot.
It's a waiter. And it does not have much prior knowledge. You can stay
Starting
here.
restaurant
Okay.
task.
So now it will kind of create also a map. Do a quick scan here of the items, and then it will
Follow bar.
look customers, and you stay to be a customer
to
by
meet
raising
you.
your hand up high.
Okay.
Memorize bar counting
If you want to be the customer,
Yeah, sure.
Initialization
Yeah,
finished.
definitely.
raise your hand later.
Okay. So now it has just seen all the objects in the scenario, so that.
Location.
Basically it's here for memorizing the location.
Okay.
Searching for customers. Customers,
Now-
please
now
clearly
it looks
raise
for
your arm.
waving persons.
Your hand
Okay.
to wave.
So shall I start waving or? Oh, okay. Hello. Driving to me now. Okay.
Now it will ask you if you want to order, and then you must say yes.
Do you
or
want
no.
to order?
Yes. I would like to order strawberry and milk.
Your complete order consists of strawberry.
That's fine.
Is
Yes.
this correct?
Yes. Yes. Is it not?
Sit
Okay.
order. Please don't wave to me anymore. I will be back shortly.
Oh, fair.
Driving to the kitchen bar.
What camera is it using?
It's
The-
using this after all that on top.
Okay.
Location. Hello customer, I bring your order.
Do I? Okay.
It will open the gripper at
I
some
need
point.
you to take the items from my hands. I will open my grippers in 2 seconds.
Oh, that's nice that it says in 2 seconds. Ah, nice. Can I give it to you?
Alright.
Has been there for years, but we are currently, like, apart from new hardware, safety certification and everything, what we are doing is to, like, for example, I as a software engineer, I work on a core, which is this software that is capable of integrating multiple devices into a single industrial solution.
I see, yeah.
So you can see that there. Pairing robots together to solve an issue, like, for example.
I see. Yeah. So like collaborative robots.
Yeah. Actually, the Yana is not collaborative; it's industrial robot.
Okay.
But yeah, this is about application.
Nice. So it's essentially an interface that's bringing everything together, keeping everything simple for the end user.
Exactly. With the end user, we mean both the system integrator and the operator.
Nice.
So this is a screen that the operator will see, but the system integrator has specific screens that is allowing the. I can actually show you.
Yeah, sure.
This is the screen that the system integrator is going to see.
I see.